Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we want to go over a new folding electric wheelchair to the industry. It's called the Ally Sport. And this is brought to you by Golden Technologies. Now the Ally Sport can support 265 pounds of weight. It has a battery range that is just under 10 miles. Top speed is 5 miles per hour. One of the few auto folding electric wheelchairs on the market. So there's not very many, and this one has a lot of bells and whistles. It's very luxurious type of chair. It's futuristic, it's non-traditional, and when you drive this chair, people are definitely going to notice you because it's very unique. And best of all, because it's made by Golden Technologies, it has one of the best warranties in the industry. They also have excellent support, and their warranty includes a 1-year labor contract. So if anything goes wrong in the first year, at first, they're going to try to troubleshoot that over the phone with you, but if they can't resolve it, they'll send a technician to your home to diagnose and resolve that issue for the first year, so you have that added peace of mind. So anyway, let's get into the Ally Sport. So we'll start at the back of the chair, and I think one thing you'll notice is this glossy finish. I think this is like a carbon fiber design, but the chair is heavy. It weighs about 90 pounds, so it's a heavier folding electric wheelchair, so I think that's important to keep in mind. These are your anti-tip wheels that are on the back. So if you're going up a steep incline, it just prevents you from tipping backwards. So these would be your freewheel levers. So right now, you can see it says it's in drive mode and it's flipped up, and there's 2 motors here. So right now, this engages the electromagnetic brakes, and this is how you operate the chair. You ran out of battery life, you needed to push the chair, you push both of these down. It puts it into neutral or freewheel, and you can push the chair manually. Sometimes that trips people up. They get, this is a really common thing that we run into. So freewheel, if they're in the drive position, now you can operate it. If they're in that neutral position, you can't operate the chair. You'll notice here it says, do not store items in this area. That's because of the way it folds, because it's an auto folding electric wheelchair, so you don't want to put anything in here because when it folds, it could crush whatever item you might have in there. On the tires here, these are air-filled pneumatic tires. They have a lot of tread on these, so this chair can definitely go off-road into grassy areas. It can go on gravel. On the seat, the armrests flip up on this chair, so you got easy transfers in and out of the seat. It has a memory foam seat, so very comfortable seat. Seat back also has this kind of like contoured design. It is like kind of like a stadium style seat. The seat back isn't real big, so I think that's something to be aware of. Now as far as the joystick, we'll show you that. So to power it on, you press this button. I'm going to hold this in. You can see it cycling through. And it's not going to work yet because you have to hit it one more time. So now, you can't really hear that, but it did say unlock. So you hold the power button down to power it on, and then you tap it one more time, and that will unlock the chair. So now you can operate it. This is your speed control. This plus or minus sign. Right now it's at the top speed setting. Sort of hard to see that. There. Okay, so this is your speed control. I can go down to that first setting, go all the way up to the top. Here's your speedometer and miles per hour. There's your battery gauge. This is your horn button. This is on all the Ally chairs, but you have this SOS button. If I hold this down, it's just going to make that noise and just say alarm. hold it down to turn it off. Really, the purpose of that is just like if you had some kind of, you know, you need an emergency, you need to alert people around you. This button right here, this is your novice mode or beginner mode. So I press that and it'll only allow you to go to the second speed setting. So you have 1 and 2. If you want to get out of that, press this button again. And now I can go up to that top speed of 5 miles per hour. Now, one accessory you can get is a wireless attendant remote. So it's like a remote control you can use. So if you're a caretaker and you needed to operate the chair for your patient, you can just stand beside the chair, walk alongside them, and operate it with that remote control. Has a seat belt right here. So right now you can see these are kind of like running lights. I think these are just mirrors here. So let me power it on, you'll see these will light up. And this lights up here. So these are like running lights. You got good visibility at nighttime. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email. So then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. Now, as far as charging the battery, you can charge it directly on the joystick. It's pretty common on most electric wheelchairs. You charge it on the joystick. The other thing you can do is you can charge it right directly on the battery pack. So this is your battery. It's easy to access right underneath the seat. You can see there's unlock and lock stickers here. So I'm going to pull it forward to unlock, and you can pull it right out. It's really lightweight battery. You can charge it directly on. You can charge the battery directly on it or on the joystick, like I just showed you. So I'll set that back in there. I'll lock it into place. I like that the footplate is pretty big. Flips up. This is a comfortable footplate for me. I have big feet. I wear a size 13 shoe, so this works well. Now, the thing that everyone loves about it is how it folds. So let's show you how to do that. All right, so turned it back on, cycled through. I'm going to press it again to unlock it. Now, if you press, in order to fold it, you want to hold down this horn button and the minus sign at the same time to fold it. And then when you unfold it, you do the opposite. So I'm going to hold these down.
Joystick to start folding.
And it says move joystick to start folding. So now that it's in this mode, you can't operate it, but you can fold it. So I just pressed it back. And now you can see you can fold it. You can even use in this, when it's in this position, you get it out of this folding mode. You can use the remote control and you can operate it while it's folded if you need to do that for some reason. Now to unfold it, you just do the opposite. So I'm going to hold the plus sign and the horn button at the same time for about 2-3 seconds.
Joystick to start unfolding. Again, to stop.
Now it says move joystick to start folding. So I'm just going to press it forward and it's going to unfold. You can't fold and unfold through the remote control. You can only do it through the joystick. So really cool electric wheelchair. I think it's great for people that don't want something that is, doesn't look like a, like an electric wheelchair, like your traditional medical ones.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website, and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
And I think one of the important features I forgot to mention too is the front wheels. So I unlock the joystick. So the way this works is this is one front wheel, and it's called omni-directional wheels. So these wheels spin when you're making a complete turn. So you can see how these other wheels will spin, and allows you to make super sharp turns. So that's pretty unique too. About the chair. And yeah, this is the Golden Ally Sport. It's an awesome folding electric wheelchair, and if you have any questions about it, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.